do the new Penguin one?
Yeah.
Is that alright?
It's not bad. It's a little rattly.
Really?
I'm surprised for how new it is. It's kind of rattly, but it's okay.
Mako's pretty smooth.
Oh, yeah. I think my favorite so far is that flying one, though. If you go in the back row, it's really intense.
Cool. Water could let up.
Yeah.
That'd be nice. Yesterday was bad enough. We got a quiet car.
Yeah. Didn't make it.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Yes. Oh, now. That's awesome. It's pretty good.
Those are tees, right? No, Mako gave you a little teaser at the end, like.
Oh, yeah.
We're almost done, and then shoot. That's smooth though.
Yeah, that was really good. This whole park's really good. A lot of good coasters.
Doesn't get enough credit.
Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.